Good morning friends. From the picture shown to us, I perceive that there is only one character who is female. She is 26 years age and her name is Reshma. She has completed her MSW and now she is a member in NGO. One fine day she decides to visit the cement factory nearby her home, which is Bagalkot Shakti Cement, and she finds that there were many children who were working in that factory. So she, with the help of the other members in that NGO, she took an initiative to organize awareness so that there should be no child labor. She organizes it very systematically and explains to everyone that there should be no child labor, and also explains the harmful effects, how it will affect physically and mental growth to the child, and also aware the villagers about the compulsory free education which is prevailing now, and also told the benefits of giving education and how it will contribute for the development of the country. Thank you.
Good morning friends. From the picture I perceive a main character who is Gokul of 25 years age. He is an inspector in the fire brigade in his locality. One fine day when he was making his garden, he saw smoke coming out of his neighbor's house. Then he suddenly rushes to his neighbor's house and get all the neighbor and his family from the house, and by the time he calls his fire brigade, and with the help of his fire brigade he stops the fire. While this process running on, he saw everyone's face, that's his neighbor and his locality peoples.
Good morning friends. In the picture I perceived one character. He is of 20 years old and is in positive mood. Rahul is a young engineer studying in the nearby engineering college. One day he saw a news which was coming out in the news channel that there were a lot of issues regarding the pollution as well as the garbage management system in the city. So Rahul decided with his friends, discussed among them and decided to make a project which is called as the dustbin, a smart dustbin. In this project, the dustbin actually measures the amount of dust which is there in the dustbin and intimates the municipality or whoever was regarding this that this dustbin is filled. So he demonstrated this project with the government project exhibition process, and in that process he was selected for that, and his project was implemented in the city. So within a year there was a drastic change in the management of the garbage.
Okay. What I'll do is to give you all a better chance till 31. That is, till 31, I'll give you 1 minute to discuss. You remain silent. You continue from where they are. Understood? Yeah.
Talks about fire, so we'll discuss about the
fire. It's not sure whether it is a building and whether it's a dust or wastage material or garbage. We are not sure about it. All of us talk on fire, so fire. There is a fire.
There is a dustbin there, and in that dustbin the fire is coming out. So what we can do is we can manage it by introducing a project or a plan by the government so that this dustbin and the management can be improved.
Okay, just on the 65, I partially agree with you, but it's a fire going on.
That is not in the dustbin itself. We can show that there is a fire, and because of this the population is
turn off the fire. No. So let it be a main leading
fire is there. The dustbin is stuck with the fire.
Dustbin we can take the building.
No, anything. Let it be a dustbin. Let it be a
we should not create a problem and then solve. There is a problem already,
Okay.
so that we can solve it.
Okay.